It's Sunday morning, so you know what that means. We're taking the Corvette out with the boys, and hopefully we get to gap them. We're already late, so let's hop on in. Oh yeah. Sunday morning, neighbors, wake the hell up. All right, so we linked up with them while they were on their way to me. We got my buddy Anthony in his Shelby GT500. We have Alex behind me in the SC that you guys have seen a million times. Our other buddy's in a ZR1 as well, a built one. And our last but not least buddy is in his BMW, his new BMW that he just got, his daily driver. So his tires are bald. I'm on my stock tires, so I'm not going to hook either. Alex is on slicks, so he'll probably destroy most of us except for Eddie in his ZR1. But we'll see if any of these guys want to play around. God, that whine sounds crazy. Holy fuck. I need what he has. Oh my God, his makes like 800 or 900 horsepower, so his is nuts. Fuck, it smells good too. I need what he has. We're actually pulling up to a car meet or something right now. I'm not sure where it is or what it is. Oh my God. This lip. Oh my God. Damn! I saw Eddie just full send his ZR1 over it. I still have my front lip on and in one piece, so I'll get rear-ended before I destroy that shit. I got Alex behind me, so I know anything can happen. Anyways, yeah, we're pulling up to a car meet, and I guess we'll see what's there, and hopefully it's sick. Afterwards, we might be cruising, so that's what I'm looking forward to. Man, Eddie's car is chopping, sounds all sick. He still has the factory mufflers, but I mean, his shit is chopping. And then you have my car that sounds bone fucking stock, but that is the point. I do want my car to look and sound stock. However, I do want to chop like him. This shit looks packed though, so let me find a parking spot. So are we late or are we early?
We're late.
We're late? Oh, okay. So these guys are leaving, they're not pulling in. Supra, TEs, Advent GTs, stock wheels with a bunch of carbon.
Sick ass bar that I got from someone is carbon fiber.
Bar?
Yeah.
Like a strut tower bar?
No.
Oh.
Hood prop.
Oh, the fake. Oh, yeah. The fake carbon one? The one that I took from someone else? Although, to be fair, the guy I took it from, yeah, he doesn't even drive his car anymore, so. I got it from Alex with the CTSV.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so, but he's a motorcycle guy now, and his car's been like state ref for like 9 months.
Do you still have that thing?
Yeah, I tell him to fix it. I'm like, dude, let's register it to Montana so he can go driving it again, and he doesn't want to, so. But how is she running?
Good. A weird noise when I get up to speed.
Okay, you got one bolted down seat. Let me check the other one. Let me check. Let's see how much you care about your girlfriend. Oh my God.
Not much.
That's crazy. Okay, well, besides that though, I mean, it looks good. Still no wing.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, Alex.
Well, I figured when I move out and
Like
everything.
a big swan neck.
No, I got him like just the OEM little ducktail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just to add something so it doesn't look so ground.
No, I was going to put a dinner table right here.
Yeah, like the Supra that just drove by.
A
So,
circle one, not even a rectangle.
but yeah, just plastic dip it black. Call it a day. Yeah, I don't like the wing. That's why I got a ZR1 instead. Oh, I've seen this guy cruising around. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, like, see, like, it's all right, but, you know, I think the ZR1 is still better. And then you got the Roblox car. It's so angular. It's growing on me a little bit. Damn, whoa. We got to get this thing. Oh, sick. He almost scraped. That shit's pretty low. This thing looks sideways built. It's a big ass turbo. Shit. God damn.
Sequential.
Really? Oh shit. Sequential. It might be just a little bit quick. Might make some okay power. I'd pull down my pants and measure, you know, the inches of that turbo, but What do you think that is? Solid 8 inches right there?
I don't know. Put your window next to it. We can see how big it is.
That's what I was gonna see. Yeah, it's pretty big.
It'll just make the turbo look even bigger.
Here, fucking dickhead. Nice Recaros. Like I said, sequential or like a TH400 or something. Parachute, gap cam. Yeah, this thing's a monster. It's in my driveway. Yeah? He's asking where my Supra's at. It looks like a Supra again. I got all the body pieces on. It looks like a Supra again. Yeah, it looks like it's got all the body pieces. And the engine's just inside, so.
Never hang out with us. I'll never tell us anything.
Yeah, I never update you guys. Buy one of these? I mean, why not? Yeah. Yeah, you should actually. Put your Jay-Z in this thing. Just buy a shell and drop it in.
Yeah, but it's right-hand drive. You want a Jay-Z and be on left-hand.
He's right-hand drive.
And then if you're on right-hand drive, you want an RB because of the exhaust side.
Yeah, but you can get around that. I got around it.
Yeah, you see your heat shield.
Yeah. Just a good Cerakote on the exhaust will do it.
I don't know. You see how your car looks right now?
Yeah. Yeah, guys, should he upgrade from the SC to this? It's only a V-Spec.
I want the V-Spec.
It is a V-Spec too. Great looking GTRs though. Very nice. It's crazy seeing R34s like just at car meets now. We got here real quick. All right, we're in the boring car section. Exotic, Pista, STO. Is it an SVJ? No. Nice Aventador though. Maybe an SV. Yeah, it's an SV. Very nice indeed. Once again, you know, you see the red stitching? Yeah, that's why I went with and settled for a Corvette, you know. I shouldn't say settled, that's why I got a Corvette over this. The red stitching just looks too tacky. Can't have that. Look at this tryhard. This is why I'm not a car guy, man. There's too many sweats. These guys are just trying way too hard. Okay, this thing's actually badass. You can only say so many stupid jokes before you just have to actually appreciate the car itself. Wow. God damn, I don't even want to get too close to it. But if my zipper hits that shit, I'm gonna be fined like $10,000. All right, here's the kind of car I want to see, a shitbox. Twin turbo 350Z. Okay, we'll start at the rear because we got people up front. I don't want to film people without consent. Oh my God, we got some Bellics, some slicks, cut bumper, a Lexan rear window, little plastic window. God damn, a lot of carbon fiber. Holy shit. Gold barrels. That's pretty baller. All right, let's see. Got a manual. All right, check box number 1. All right. Oh my God. Twin turbo 350Z. Wow, and he's got turbo guards, guys. Although this one is in some disarray, but you know, we'll give it a pass. God, he's got the teardrop cuts too. Fuck, if this thing had a hood on it, because no offense, 350Z motors, they're just kind of ugly. Like the intake manifolds are just kind of fucking ugly. But you throw a hood on this, and you can see the well, actually, yeah, you'd have to cut little holes for the turbos, but that would be hard. Come on, that would be fucking hard. It is hard already though. This is a badass car. Got a cage inside, very smart. Safety first, sick ass car. See, I'd rather look at this than any of the other exotics. Hell, I forgot, I didn't even see the 720 or any of these other fucking boring exotics. So we'll keep doing some laps on. We'll see what we can find. I think they're gonna race right now. They got plenty of room. Never mind.
Don't lie, my truck on fire. Hey, every time you see me, I be lit as fuck. Yeah, in the script.
All right, we're back home now. I have to be very careful with what I show because the new wrap on the Mustang is right in front of me and I don't want to spoil it. Anyways, fun day in the vet. Honestly, on the stock tires, it did rather well. I didn't think it was gonna hook. When I took this car to Vegas for SEMA, by the way, that video obviously isn't out yet. There's a lot of footage to go through. When I took the car there and I hammered it a few times, no traction whatsoever, no matter time of day. But it was also like 40 to 50 degrees the whole time there. So back in California with the beautiful weather, hooks really well on these tires, surprisingly. Anyways, I was on like 91 right there, so we'll have to see when I'm on E40 and Alex is on full E85. He was on E40 right there. But honestly, still pretty surprising in my opinion. Little bone stock C6 doing the Lord's work. Anyways, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please let me know down below. The Mustang reveal should be filmed today. I have one more piece to wrap, and that should be out sometime this week. Anyways, subscribe, and until next video, peace.